Hi everyone and welcome to Assembly today. Today will be a bit of a mixture in this video. We're going to be treated by seeing just some little short snippets from some of the HSC music performances. Now this isn't all of them today. They've been busy rehearsing and they're going to have their exam later this week. So we're just going to see a few of them today, and then in the first few weeks of next term we'll make sure we show you some of the others. You'll also see some little snippets of some students and some staff just talking about their experience of lockdown and what it's like to be back. And keep your ear out for an important announcement from Mrs. King about some student achievements. And then Mr. Smith will wrap things up for us at the end. Shout out to Year 11 who are still doing their exams. They're probably not watching this video and that's okay, but please keep them in your prayers and your thoughts because they'll be doing exams for the next few days, and we send them our best wishes. All right, just wanted to say it is fantastic to have kids back today, and we really are very proud of the effort and the energy of all of our students in being so resilient with the current frustrations. We also want to congratulate our amazing staff who've really gone above and beyond to care for the students in this time period, and also to wish the best of luck to our drama students who are also doing their HSC major performances this week. Thanks for joining us, Mrs. Coe. Tell us about how it is to have some boarders back.
It's fantastic, it's great. We're very happy to see the boarders that have managed to get back in for this final week and see each other, be together and see out the end of term 3.
Excellent. And expecting a few more to arrive today?
Yes, so expecting some more today and possibly tomorrow. Some families have had to wait to get negative COVID results before they can come back into the house, and for some areas that's been a bit longer than others.
Sure. Okay. And what did your staff miss the most about not having the boarders here?
The fun, I think. The fun.
Yeah. All right, great. Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, so fantastic to have Year 12 back today. Tell me what was really good about being locked down?
Being able to spend so much time with my family and going to work and earning money, I suppose, is a way.
Okay.
But, yeah, that's
great.
how I spent it.
And what's great about being back?
Being able to see our friends again after doing all our classes on Zoom. So that's really good.
Welcome back. I am really looking forward to actually having a discussion in class rather than you guys muting yourself and putting your video on blank.
One good thing about being back at school is seeing all the boys and catching up on that. And good thing about lockdown was just being at home and spending time with family and that.
Okay, guys, tell us something good about lockdown, something good about being back.
I got to spend a lot more time with my pets and being at home because I'm usually a boarder, so I'm never really at home.
Something good about being back is getting to see everyone again and getting to catch up with friends.
Well, good morning everyone. I'm just here to let you know about some exciting news for some of our Year 11 students, well the whole school, but there was 2 of our Year 11 students that have been selected to attend the National Youth Science Forum. This is a science program that is very competitive to be selected for. Students from the whole country apply for this, and there's a pretty rigorous selection process. So congratulations to Zella Nichols and Sophie Johnston, who both have been accepted to attend this. It's a forum that runs in January. It will be hopefully still face-to-face for some of the program and maybe online, and they'll get to work with some amazing scientists and do workshops in their area of interest. And we've had a number of Cal Rossi students that have been accepted to this program before through the years and have found it really, really valuable and a wonderful experience. So congratulations to Zella and Sophie, and we look forward to hearing about your program. I think it's a 14-day program in hopefully Canberra in January. So well done, girls. We're very proud of you.
Okay, so one good thing about lockdown at home was the flexibility. Was the flexibility to be able to like do different tasks at certain times. You don't have to follow a specific timetable. But one thing that really sucked was face-to-face, like not having face-to-face learning. You don't have the interactivity with teachers and stuff, which made it harder.
Yeah, I'm so keen to be back at school. We've got double prac and all my prac classes are back up and running, and we're very excited. The cattle have been waiting out there for all the kids to return, and Dude's very excited to see the kids.
Haven't got a prayer. Boy, you got a prayer in Memphis. Now Miriam plays piano every Friday at the Hollywood. Brought down to see her. They asked me if I would do a little number, and I said with all my might. Tell me you a Christian child, and I said, man, I am tonight. When I'm walking in Memphis, I was walking with my feet and feet on the beat. Walking in Memphis, until I really feel the way I feel.
Hi there, Cal Rossi. I'm going to take my mask off. It's so nice to see you back here at school. It's lovely to have the Year 12s back, having done their trial HSC. Congratulations to Year 12 and the way that you've managed it. We also understand this is difficult because this week would be the week that you finally farewell school and say goodbye after 13 years. But we know that events are different and that you'll be here at school this week, and that will instead have to transfer and postpone lots of those things till next term. Please know, and this is for all of the year groups, that we're wanting to look after you, look after your well-being and help you to flourish in the school environment. We do understand too how hard it has been in going online, doing things differently. We miss our friends. The teachers certainly miss you and the relationships. So it's great to have people back online as much as possible, understanding that not everyone can be here for lots of different reasons. The one thing I want to say beyond welcoming you all back is relating to masks. Excuse me. Masks are mandated now. It's not an optional thing. They are mandated by the government for all of us being back here at school. It's a condition of that. They're wanting to be extra cautious, waiting until vaccine rates are up to that higher level. So we would thank you for your cooperation with that. In class, out of class, please wear your mask. We don't want actually having to be going chipping people. So just that sensible approach, all working together. I hate them, I've got to say. I don't like wearing them, but I do wear them because I know I have to. And by me wearing it, it can help you feel safe. So just that work together, that combining, that community response, just to doing the right thing will keep us all safe. And I hope that you will enjoy a really good week here at school and then get a fantastic break. So, yeah, welcome back everyone.